Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix DNS probe finished no internet in Chrome browser. So guys, to resolve this problem, firstly click on the search icon, type CMD, right click on command prompt and run as administrator. Guys, it will ask permission, so click on yes. Now type this command line ipconfig space slash flush DNS flush DNS, then press enter. Now type this second command line netsh netsh winsock reset. So type this command line netsh winsock reset and then press enter. So you will see successfully reset the winsock catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. So now close it and restart. And once you restart, guys, after restart you have to try second method. Click on start, then open settings. Now here guys, you have to click on this network and internet, scroll down and click on advanced network settings. Now guys, here you will see option network reset. Click on it and reset your network, and make sure once you reset you have to reinstall some software like VPN client software or virtual devices if you have. And also guys, you have to re-enter your password for Wi-Fi or Ethernet. So if you're sure, click on reset now, and after reset and after successfully reset, restart again your PC or laptop. So hopefully guys, after restart this problem will be fixed. DNS probe finished, no net, no internet in Chrome browser. Thanks for watching guys. Please comment this video useful for you or not.